Welcome to Everyday English Podcast.
Hello and welcome back to the Everyday English Podcast. I'm Anna.
And I'm Mark. Hi, everyone.
Hey Mark, how are you today?
I'm great, Anna. A little tired, but good. I'm drinking my coffee. How about you?
I'm happy, but I'm also a little wet.
Wet? Why? Did you spill your coffee?
No, not coffee. I was walking here to the studio and it started to rain. I didn't have my umbrella.
Oh, no. That's too bad. So you are wet and I am dry with my coffee. Hey, that gives me a great idea.
Oh no, what is it?
Well, since it's raining outside and you got wet, let's talk about rain. Let's talk about how to talk about a rainy day in English.
That's a perfect topic. It's a very common thing. In England, we talk about the weather all the time, right?
Yes, it's our favorite small talk topic. So, for everyone learning English, knowing how to talk about rain is very, very useful. It helps you start conversations with people.
Exactly. You can talk to a neighbor, a friend, or even a coworker. So today, we will learn simple words and phrases to describe rain.
Yes, we'll talk about light rain, heavy rain, and how to ask questions about it.
Don't worry if you are a beginner. We will speak slowly and clearly. Ready to start, Mark?
Ready.
Oh, listen, I think the rain is getting heavier outside. Okay, so first, let's imagine it's a little rainy. It's not strong rain. What words can we use, Mark?
A good word is drizzle. That means very light rain, very small drops.
Drizzle, yes. You can say, it's drizzling outside, or it's just a light drizzle. It's not enough to get really wet.
Right, like in spring sometimes. You might not even need an umbrella.
But my rain today was not a drizzle. My rain was heavy. What do we say for that?
We have a few good phrases. Number one, it's pouring.
Pouring. It sounds like the word for water coming out of a bottle, right? Pour water into a cup.
Exactly. So if you pour water from a bottle, it's fast. So it's pouring means the rain is very heavy and fast. You could also say it's pouring down.
Yes, that was me today. It was pouring down. My hair was very wet. Another good phrase for very heavy rain is, it's raining cats and dogs.
Ah, yes, my favorite funny idiom. But Anna, are there cats and dogs falling from the sky?
No, that's silly. It's just a fun expression for very, very heavy rain.
But be careful, this phrase is a little old. People use it, but maybe not every day. Anna, what do you say? It's pouring or it's raining cats and dogs?
I say it's pouring more often. It's simpler, but cats and dogs is fun for a story. Okay, let's practice. I'll say a sentence, and you, listener, can imagine the rain.
Good idea.
Situation 1. You look out the window. The rain is very soft, small drops. You can say, it's drizzling.
Perfect. Situation 2. You are inside and the rain is very loud on the roof. It's heavy. You can say, it's
pouring.
Great job, everyone.
Okay, we have the words for rain. Now let's talk about how we feel about rain. Mark, do you like rainy days?
Sometimes yes, sometimes no. When I am at home and it's raining outside, I feel cozy. Cozy, it means comfortable and warm.
Oh, I love that feeling. Cozy. You can be inside with a blanket and a book. It's nice. So you can say, I love a rainy day. It feels so cozy.
Yes. But if I have to go to work and I don't have a car, I feel annoyed.
Annoyed. That means a little angry. I am annoyed because I forgot my umbrella.
Right. So let's practice a little dialogue, a short conversation. Anna, you start.
Oh, look, it's starting to drizzle.
Yeah? I don't mind the drizzle. It's kind of nice.
But the news said it will pour later this afternoon.
Oh no, really? I hate getting wet. I feel annoyed when it pours.
Me too. But if we have to go out, we can take an umbrella.
Good idea. Let's stay dry.
Did you hear that? I don't mind the drizzle means it's okay. It's not a problem. I hate getting wet is a very strong feeling.
Yes, hate is a strong word. For English learners, it's good to know. But you can also say, I really don't like getting wet. That is softer.
Good point, Mark. Let's add one more feeling. What about when you are outside and suddenly big drops of rain fall on you?
Oh, you can say, oh no, I got caught in the rain.
Got caught in the rain, that's a great phrase. It means you were outside and the rain started and you weren't ready, like me today.
Poor Anna, you got caught in the rain. Okay, we have words and feelings. Now let's talk about common mistakes.
Oh yes, this is important. We want to help you avoid small errors.
Mistake number 1. Some learners say, it's rain, or it's raining.
No, that's not correct. Remember, rain is a noun, the thing. I don't like rain. Rainy is an adjective. It describes the day. It is a rainy day. And the verb is to rain.
So the correct way is, it is raining, or it rains a lot here, not it's raining. Let's all say it together. It is raining.
Perfect. Mistake number 2?
Mistake number 2, using big rain or small rain. In English, we don't usually say that. We use the special words we learned. Drizzle for small rain and pour for big rain.
Good correction. You can say heavy rain and light rain too. That is okay. Heavy rain means a lot of rain. Light rain means not much rain. But drizzle and pour are more natural.
Exactly. So practice those. Okay, last common mistake, prepositions.
Ah, yes. Prepositions are difficult. In or on. For rain, we use in.
You get wet in the rain. You walk in the rain. You are stuck in the rain, not under the rain, okay? Under the rain is not correct.
So remember, I was walking in the rain. Very good.
Okay, we learned a lot. Let's do a quick recap, a practice round. Anna, let's review the key phrases one more time, slowly.
Great idea. Repeat after us, listeners. You can say the words out loud. It helps you remember.
First word, drizzle.
Next, pouring. It's pouring.
Next phrase, I got caught in the rain.
Next feeling, cozy. I feel cozy.
Last question, do you like rainy days?
Wonderful. Great job, everyone. See, you can do it.
Yes, now you have the words to talk about a rainy day. You can start a conversation. You can say to a friend, wow, it's really pouring today.
And your friend might say, I know, I got caught in it. And then you have a conversation.
Exactly. English is all about communicating, making connections.
Well, Mark, the rain has stopped outside. I think the sun is coming out.
Perfect timing. We finished just in time. Thank you so much for listening to the Everyday English Podcast. We really hope this episode helps you.
If you liked this episode, please hit the subscribe button. And if you want to help other learners, please leave us a like and a comment.
Yes, we love reading your comments. Tell us, do you like rainy days? Do you say drizzle or pour in your language? Let us know.
Remember, learning a language takes time. Be patient with yourself. Practice a little bit every day, even just talking about the weather.
That's right. Keep practicing your English every day. It's the best way to improve.
Have a wonderful week, everyone. Stay dry or enjoy the rain.
Bye-bye.